So now in this topic we will discuss about the animal locomotions, refer to the movements of the animal from one place to the another. Basically the movement is essential for survival, feeding, escaping predators and reproduction. So locomotion involve both the biological structure and physical laws. So there are types of the animal locomotion, for example, flight, birds, insects, and bats. Swimming, for example, fish, whales, and amphibians, and the running ability and the walking, for example, mammals and reptiles. So each types requires special body adaptations. So there are the role of the physics in the locomotion. For example, there have been a special force involved like the gravity, friction, lift, thrust, and the drag. So the energy use and having the special efficiency. So there is the balance between the body weight and the movement forces. For example, there have been the role of biology in the locomotion. For example, muscles generate the force, bones provide the support, the nervous system control the coordinations, and the body shapes affect the movement efficiency. So, what is the flight? For example, flight is basically found in the birds, insects, and the bats, the most energy demanding form of the locomotion, and it has been require a lightweight body and a strong muscles. Physics of the flights. For example, this lift keep animals in the air. Thrust, for example, move animals forward. Drag the air resistance, and gravity, for example, pull animal downward. So there is some biological adaptation for the flight. For example, there are hollow bones, the large chest muscles, the feathers or wings, or the streamlined body shape having a biological adaptation for the flight. In the mean way for the swimming, for example, it have been movement through the water that basically found in the fishes, whales, dolphins, and frogs. So water provide the support but can cause the resistance. For example, the physics of swimming is buoyancy help animal float, thrust generated by fins and tails, and drag reduced by smooth body surface. So biological adaptation for the swimming are fins and the flippers, strong tail muscles, streamlined body, scales or smooth skin. So now we define running and the walking. For example, most common form of locomotion on the land that has been used by the mammals, reptiles and insects. So its speed and endurance are the important. So center of mass move in the parabolic arc. For example, physics of running is the friction between the feet and the ground, and there have been a balance of body weight that energy transfer through the legs. So there have been the biological adaptations for the running. For example, strong leg muscles, flexible joints, long limbs for the speeds, and hooves or padded feet. So there is the comparison of the flight, swimming and the running. For example, on the basis of the locomotions, they have been the flight, air and the wings. For example, on the basis of the locomotion, they have the flight, swimming and running. On the basis of the medium, they have in the air, water and the land. And on the basis of the key adaptation, they have in the wings, fins and legs. So energy used in locomotion is basically flight use most energy. Swimming is the energy efficient, and running efficiency depend on the speed and the trainers. The examples from the nature are, for example, birds such as the eagles and pigeons, in the swimming animals such as the fish and the dolphins, and the running animals such as the cheetahs and the horses. So there is some importance of the locomotion. For example, it helps animals find food, escape the predators, and migrate to better environments and find the mates. So human adaptation having the specific role, for example, robotics, prosthetic limbs, sports science, and vehicles and aircraft design. So this is all about the locomotions and the role of locomotion in their daily life. Thank you so much.